Alright guys, it's been a little while since I last made a video, but hey, I am back from being in Louisiana for a month. I've got my back feeling good enough to where I can actually get to work on this thing. So let's get a little recap. Now, we already did all the wiring harnesses, laid it over. Some of it's been tucked up inside the engine bay or the cab. We're going to move the fuel pressure regulator a little bit later on, but today we're getting the engine and transmission out. I got Buddy on his way to help me with that, but before he gets here, I have to make sure I get some other work underneath the car done. So I got to get the exhaust pulled and get the drive shaft out and just lay it in there. And while I'm at that, while I'm waiting on him, I'm gonna pull the fenders and start seeing if I can get to work on stripping them. All right, so a little bit of a drastic change now. I went ahead, just took the entire front end off. Since I'm gonna be stripping the fenders of paint, I just went ahead, did it. Got the bumper off so I can get closer to that. And now I just gotta, lift and pull. Alright guys, so got the engine put away, tucked in. That was fun. It's gonna be even more fun when I go to pull it back out when everything's getting put back together. So on that note, I'm going to go ahead and clean up, put all my tools away, roll the dart back into the garage so I can put the wife's car back in the driveway. Y'all take it easy. I'll catch you on the flip side. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. So, see you later.